Hey everyone, welcome back to For Wheels Empire, your go-to source for car maintenance and repair tips. Today, we're tackling a common issue, the P0520 error code. This code points to a problem with the engine oil pressure sensor. Don't worry, I'll walk you through diagnosing and fixing it step by step. Let's get started. The OBD trouble code P0520 relates to the vehicle's engine oil pressure sensor or switch and its associated electrical circuit and its operation. It's a threshold issue with the oil pressure sensor, and the powertrain control module PCM picks it up. Check engine light, oil pressure warning light, oil pressure gauge, engine noise, engine performance, vehicle stuck in limp mode, engine won't start. Before we dive in, here's what you'll need. OBD to scanner, socket wrench set, replacement oil pressure sensor, thread sealant if required, engine oil if needed, clean rags. Gather these tools, and let's get started. Locate the oil drain plug on your vehicle, and place an oil collection pan underneath it. Use a socket ratchet to remove the plug from the oil pan on your vehicle. Once the plug is removed, the oil should start flowing out into your collection pan. Once all the oil is drained, replace the drain plug and tighten it back on. The oil filter is usually located beside the oil pan or under the hood of your vehicle, near the engine. Place the collection pan under the filter. There would be oil in the filter itself. That could be hot, so it is important that the oil goes into the collection pan. Spread a bit of fresh oil evenly on the new filter's gasket. Then install the new oil filter. Tighten the filter an additional 3/4 of a turn. Be sure not to over-tighten. To fill the vehicle with fresh oil, you should first locate your oil fill cap at the top of the engine. Clean the cap before removing it. Take the cap off and place the funnel into the opening. Add the amount of oil specified in your owner's manual, and then replace the cap. After the oil change, start the engine and let it run for a minute to bring your oil pressure up, and recheck your oil level. To check oil levels, pull the dipstick out and clean it off. Replace the dipstick and pull it out again. The oil should be near the top dot or fill line. If it is close to the lower dot, you'll need to add more oil. If your oil levels are good, replace the dipstick and shut the hood. Place the used oil from your collection pan into an airtight container. With a screw-on cap, make sure the oil is cool before transferring to the container. Used motor oil can be recycled at most auto stores or at recycling centers. The oil pressure sensor is most often mounted in the engine block or the cylinder heads. Carefully remove the oil pressure sensor from your vehicle. Visually check the oil pressure sensor's electrical connections and metal tabs for any damages. If the damages are found, replace the oil pressure sensor. Once the new sensor is installed, use your OBD to scanner to clear the P0520 code. Start the engine and check for leaks around the sensor. Take the car for a short test drive to ensure everything is working properly. And that's it. You've successfully diagnosed and fixed the P0520 error code. Regular maintenance is key to keeping your car running smoothly. If you found this guide helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to For Wheels Empire, and hit the bell icon for more car repair tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.